G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 629 Gordon River Road in Glenora. We've got just over 2,600 square metres of level access land, a double garage, 3-bedroom with a study, open plan living, solar panels and a new heat pump. Let's go in and take a look. We've got a fully secure yard, a paddock for the pony, a 6x9 garage and a carport for 2 cars, a great barbecue area and we're close to all services. If you'd like to know more or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.